Well, if it isn't time for another Art Snacks unboxing, which means...
It's snack time?
No, it's not snack time, it's unboxing time. Oh man. I mean, there will be a snack in the box. What? Later, calm down. And hey, if you want to get your own Art Snacks box, check out the link in the description. You get 10% off your first month using my code. Okay, let's unbox this and see what we've got. Okay, is that watercolor? Do I see watercolor? Let's find out. Ignoring that I'm super excited about those bubble wrap zipper pouches, we do have some cold press watercolor paper by Fluid 100. I've actually tried this before. It's actually not bad watercolor paper. 100% cotton, 300 GSM, lovely texture. What else do you need? I'm going to go ahead and put our piece of paper here for swatching our supplies, as well as our Art Snacks Plus list and our Art Snacks regular list of supplies. What's this? It's our candy. It's a crybaby.
I'm no baby, give it to me.
All right, here we go. We do have our adorable Art Snacks sticker. I love the colors and pattern on this one. Let's just put that there for fun. And let's get into it. Let's get into our supplies. All right, so here is a very classic material I'm very used to. We have a Sakura Pigma Micron 1. So it's a felt tip. Oof. Little guy here. Love these pens. They are super reliable with watercolor, and it seems like we're going to be working with watercolor. So there is our pen. Next up is a watercolor brand that I've actually never used before, so I'm super excited to try these out. These are the Daniel Smith Extra Fine watercolors in what colors? Oh, I'm going to mess these names up. We have New Gamboge? Probably super wrong. And Quinacridone Rose. Next up we have General's Sketch and Wash Pencil. I wonder what that means. Let's find out. It's kind of a thick boy. So it looks like it's a water-soluble soft black graphite pencil, so you can use water to make washes. So that sounds really interesting and fun. So our first brush is the Princeton Aqua Elite Series 4850 Synthetic Kolinsky Sable Brush, round, size 8. So there we go. Boop. And our second brush is the Princeton Lauren Series 4350 Golden Synthetic Brush, round, size 4. So a little bit of a smaller guy. I just remembered I said I was going to swatch these. In fact, I'm not swatching anything. Whoa! We'll get through this. Okay, so that was a bit of a disaster, but there is our yellow paint. Okay, let's hope that the red is not going to explode also. Okay, not as bad, maybe a little bit. Could be worse. I already know how this marker or pen works. There you go. And I really do want to test out our pencil. And actually there's still one more supply that I didn't take out. This is the Masters Brush Cleaner and Preserver by General Pencil, and I actually own this exact thing. There you go. I actually already have this to keep my brushes clean. But you know what? You can never have too much, right? Basically how you use this is you get your brush nice and clean and wet as much as you can after using it, and then you just take it, and while it's wet you just lather it up in there and wash it until it's clean. There you go. Good to have on hand. I'm really surprised to see that in one of these boxes. Okay, let's finally test out these watercolors really quick. I've heard a lot about these watercolors, but I've never used Daniel Smith watercolors, so I'm so excited to finally try these guys out. Ooh, it's kind of like a cute pinky orange color. I really like that. Oh, what about this this guy? Ooh. So I'm really curious to see how all of these work together. Hold on. We have another riddle. Are you guys ready for this? What's a wizard's favorite color? Type it in the comments. Are you done? You ready? Ha! Magenta. Wow. Okay, let's just draw. So I thought because we have some pretty normal art supplies, at least normal for me because I'm so used to using watercolor, I thought I would just doodle around, see what I can come up with, and we can just draw something. I mean, obviously that's what we're here to do. Sometimes I just don't know what I'm drawing or why I draw it. But here we have some very confident guy. He's just strolling along, apparently naked. Let's give him nipples. Let's give him abs. Look at this guy. He's like, hey, look at me. I have weird hair and I don't know what's up with my hair. There it is. He's just like, hey, I'm hot stuff. Look at me go. I have a kin crotch. That means I have no genitals. Actually, it kind of looks like he's dancing, and I kind of want to do two couples dancing together or something. Actually, I need to look up dancing poses. What's a dance? How do you dance? Let's see if I can't get some shading with this guy. Oh no, say goodbye to his leg hairs. Oh no. That's actually really cool. I actually quite like this black and white situation. But I wonder how we can incorporate the color and the black and white together. Something to think about. Aw, that's really cute. I actually quite like our little naked guy. Again though, why do I always have to draw people naked? Is this a butt? Yeah, it's a butt. They're both really cute and I kind of want to do something really simple with them dancing. Should they be naked though, or should I give them clothes? I feel like they need clothes, but at the same time, I feel like they need to be naked. I'm actually really enjoying this whole water graphite situation. It's really fun. Oh no! If only they didn't include the pen. I think it would be really cool to do line art with this pencil and maybe do like a wash of watercolor and some color here and there. But we've got this pen. What do I do with this dang old pen? I actually really like the black mixing in with the color. It's kind of nice and earthy. It's my jam. These little doodles are so fun and cute. I don't know if I can top them. I think doing a finished complete piece is going to ruin the like innocence and funness and looseness. Maybe I should do some color blobs to get inspired. I guess he's bald. Actually, let's give him more pink on his nose. That's cute. Here's a fish, I guess. Let's also give the fish some more details, like scales. Okay, these are really cute, but I think I'm gonna go with like a couple dancing or something. So I'm gonna figure out how I'm going to combine all of these supplies together. Some are waterproof, some aren't, so I'm going to really have to strategically decide how to layer these. So wish me luck. And yeah, I'm gonna get into it. So this pencil isn't erasable, so I was thinking, would it be completely cheating if I used my own pencil? I want to say no. Let's just draw our dancing couple being silly and cute, and let's just have fun with this one and keep it loose and silly. Yeah, the girl's gonna be super thick. Of course she is. Wait, am I going to give them clothes or not? Oh gosh, that's a good question. I mean, I probably should give them clothes, but it's so fun to draw naked people. I have a problem. We're just gonna have them kind of full loading in space. It's just going to be a really loose, silly, fun one. Sometimes you just gotta do something silly and weird. At least that's how I feel. How do you feel about that? Let me know. He should have a bow tie. That would be cute, yeah? Let's see. Give him a little bow tie and like a short sleeve button up or something. I like how poofy his pants are. He's got a little butt. Alright. Gosh, this is just like a strange little illustration. I'm not really sure what's happening. That's fine. This is going to be so interesting, especially lining with this thick pen. Usually I don't use a one to line my illustrations with, so this should be very interesting. Let's just see how it goes, huh? I know half of you are just chanting to yourself, Kasey, don't give her leg hair. Don't give her leg hair. Well, I'm still thinking about it. Huh. Oh my gosh, his eye is melting off of his face. Oh boy. I don't like lining with a big thick pen like this, but we've got our cute little couple dancing, and so I'm going to use our materials and colors and things to color them in and do some things. Though first I do need to erase the pencil. I was thinking about leaving the characters white, like pure white, just because I thought it would be really fun to have them popping off of a colored background. But I decided against that, and if I really want some white to pop off a colored background, I can always make their clothes white. Maybe they're getting married. Who knows? For now, I really just like the look of that pink blush on the skin tone. It was just so cute, so I definitely want to color their skin so I can do that. Oh gosh, I'm trying to shade their skin. There's only so many colors I can shade with. This darker orangey mix just makes them look like they're burned. They look crazy. Okay, so I wanted to use a pencil to color their hair, just so we had like a nice gray gradient instead of making their hair black or something. Oh, it's like an old couple got married or something, because their hair is going to be gray and it's going to be cute. Okay, we have colored in their hair. Ooh, let's get to activating their hair. I guess I could have scribbled on a different piece of paper and then just transferred it like paint. Oh well. Also, just realizing I probably should have did this last, because if I'm going to color the background, it's probably going to be very easily reactivated, the hair. So I'm probably in trouble. Oh no. I actually really like the way that this graphite watercolor pencil thing looks. It's got a really cool rough texture and look to it, and I really like it. It's really fun. Would I keep using it in my everyday art? I don't know. Probably not, but it's really fun to play around with new stuff like this. Like I mentioned, I'm afraid that the graphite is going to reactivate, so I'm super terrified. Actually, I wonder, should I just do a white outline around them? That might be the best option. I don't think I like the look of a white outline, but I think I'll try it because I know that the graphite is going to activate and cause a mess. So you're probably wondering what I'm doing because you probably can't see anything. I'm putting down just water, and then I'm gonna go through with watercolor and let it do its thing and go crazy. Okay, this isn't, I was expecting it to be more flowy. It doesn't seem to want to move. I tried a new technique. I think it's good to try new things and, you know, not do what you always do. But to be honest, I hate it. I don't know, I'm just not loving it. You know, that's fine. I tried something. Well, I definitely think this effect is cool and fun. It's just not something I personally like to do in my art. But it was fun to like try it and do it once. This is just like too bright and colorful and crazy for me. I think I just really like clean, flat washes and stuff. Not so much rainbow tie-dye explosions. Actually, you know what might be also fun? If I did this number. Ha! 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 Get some splashes in there. Alright, so that is it for our Daniel Smith watercolor test. Water-soluble graphite pencil and brush cleaner and Pigma Micron. This little old couple is super cute. I had a lot of fun with this tie-dye background situation. Not usually something I do, but it was really fun to do something different. It's a really simple, cute, energetic illustration. Don't forget, if you want your own Art Snacks box, check out the link in the description. Use my code KaseyGolden and get your discount. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Stay golden. Bye. And now a huge thank you to my wonderful patrons for all of their support. You guys are the best. If you want to be in the credits at the end of my videos, see secret sketches, coloring pages, early access, and more, check out my Patreon by clicking a link in the description. Thank you guys all so much for the support. Bye!